Hey guys, it's so nice to have you here in my channel. I'm back again. I'm actually going to a church tea party. First time to a tea party, so I am expecting everything I see on TV with a little teacup, a little biscuit, scone and all that. So it should be fun. It's my first time, so I'm very open to things like that. And yeah, so I already have my outfit. I'll show you at the end. Right now I'm just gonna do my makeup. So if you want to see how I'll do my makeup for a tea party, just keep on watching. I'm gonna start with a moisturizer. I love this moisturizer. It's by Drunk Elephant. It's very hydrating, so I'm gonna start with that. Just moisturize my skin. Then I'm gonna go in with my favorite mattifying primer by Becca. It is really mattifying and pore filling. Like, I've not seen any other primer like better than this, and it really does, like, for oily skin, it really makes my makeup like last extra long. So I'm just gonna put it only on my T-zones because the foundation I'm gonna go in with is very drying, so I don't want to over dry my skin. So just where I get oily the most, which is usually everybody's T-zones. So I got a free sample of the Huda Beauty Fox Filter foundation in mocha. I'm sorry, it's not new, but I got the Huda Beauty foundation in mocha because, you know, I went to Sephora, in JCPenney, you know, that usually have less foundation. So just swatching a lot of foundation because I've been using my favorite foundation for the longest time. I think it's my third bottle. So my favorite foundation is actually the NARS one in New Caledonia. So I just want to try something different. So when this one finishes, I'm gonna actually purchase the Huda Beauty one because I actually love it. The undertone is like more yellow. It's so freaking hard to find foundations with yellow undertone. It's really hard. Most of them is like red or peachy, then like neutral, but it's very rare to find undertones with just yellow undertones. Like the other day, my auntie came to me. I was like touching my face. I love how smooth your skin looks. Like, it's just the yellow undertone gives me that warmth, but not that burnt red or peachy warmth, but it gives me the yellow bronzy warmth, which I freaking love. Freaking love. So I'm just going in and picking some up. I really hope I don't drop any on my dress. I'll be so pissed. I'm just gonna blend this out. So I'm gonna go with my first concealer, which is LA Pro Concealer in Fawn. I like to use this first because it has that, again, yellow undertone that is hard to find in concealers, to be honest. So I like Fawn. So I'm gonna brighten this a little bit more with my Too Faced Multitasker concealer in Butterscotch. Like, this is really light to use on its own, so it's a good additional like highlighter to brighten things up. Because I think when I was watching it, the shade below this one, they didn't have enough yellow undertone, so I was like, I'm just gonna get a really light one to be a brightener. This is Aged Crimson. So you can see this one has a red tone, so I use this as a kind of I use this kind of like a little bronzer, and I really deepen up my contour with this. This is number 7 and this is number 8. The first brown shade, number 7, just to get the shape of my contour. So I'm going in now with number 8 and deepening that. So it's a nice mixture in between to get my perfect warm contour shade. I'm gonna use that a little bit on my nose. Okay, I'm gonna take this off so to stop getting in the way. And I'm blending it upwards. And using more of a tapping motion also. My beauty blender and further blend the edges out. Now I'm going in with my new favorite face powder, Black Opal, the two-way cake. The shade is really beautiful. I'm gonna use that just to set the rest of my foundation, not really where my contour is, because I actually want to set my contour with a contour powder so that it doesn't take away from the depth of the contour. Now with my contour, I'm going to use my Lancome face powder. This is pretty much the darker shade in 560 Suede. This is how it looks like. So pretty good. And I'm just going to use that to set the contour. Using the Lancome contour powder, of course. I'm using my Beauty Bakery brow pomade in Brownie Deep in dark brown. Just the under there. Time for the eyes. So I don't want to do anything dramatic because it's a tea party, so I want to do something sultry, smoky, but still appropriate, you know? So I'm just gonna start with a little bit concealer. So I'm going in with this beautiful color right here. just on the lash line. I can't do a smoky lash line look. Anastasia gel eyeliner in Jets. Like dark plumbing purple right on top of it. And I'm just using a pure black color on the very base of the lash line. Sephora lash craft from my Sephora subscription box, so it's actually nice. I'm gonna use this orange blush by La Femme. It's called Mauve Sparkle. It doesn't exist anymore, but an orange blush would do. It's still orange. I'm gonna use my Bobbi Brown and Bronze Glow. That's how it looks like. I'm gonna use a little bit of my Danessa Marix highlighter in Fire. It's a really pretty pink highlighter. That's how it looks like. It's really pretty. I like mixing champagne and pink together. Gives the best of both worlds. I'm using this black opal eyeliner. I know it's an eyeliner, but it's really good on my lips. In Coffee Bean. This is by Juvia's Place in Seoul. I don't know if you can see that. In Seoul. I like it because it's pure orange. It's not orangey red, you know. Just orange. So this is the look. It's okay for a tea party because you know me, I like my colors, I like my glitters, my cut crease. But it's okay for a tea party. For a tea party is nice. Okay? So let me put myself together and I'll be back. So this is my outfit. I hope I did it justice. Just this is how it looks like, and this is how the face looks like. So what do you guys think? I'm actually loving it, loving the pearls, the hat, the makeup, is doable, and the lashes gives it life. So it has color with the lip. So what do you think? I love it. So hope you like this. Get ready with me. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, of course, to comment, like, and share with your friends so that they know how to slay for a tea party. So without further ado, always remember that Jesus loves you and I love you, and I'll definitely see you on my next video. Alright, bye guys.
Bounce, bounce it, baby, you bounce. Bounce, 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 oh baby, you bounce. Ready for this, yeah. Ready for this, yeah.